Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually get a creator code for Fortnite. Now it's a very easy process and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now the first step that you want to take is go to sac.epicgames.com and this will bring you to this page. Now from here you need to log into your Fortnite account, to your Epic Games account, and here you can press apply now. Now this will take you to the next step and you will need to verify your Epic Games account and you need to enable the two-factor authentication. Now I'm going to do that and I'll be right back with you. Now once you've been through all the steps that have been given, you can press continue. Now here it will take you to the next step in the order of getting a creator code. And here you can start your registration by simply pressing start registration. Now here you need to simply press I am signing up for myself and on behalf of an enterprise, press submit. And here you need to scroll all the way down. I have read acknowledged it, and here I would like to receive updates and press submit. And now the fourth step, that's the hardest step actually, you need a account, one channel that has over 1,000 followers. Now let's say you have a YouTube channel that has 1,000 followers or simply a Twitter account that has 1,000 followers. Now you need to connect that account and then you can submit it. Now I'm going to do it right away and I'll be back with you once I've done it. Now as you can see, I have enough subscribers and it says congratulations, you do match our requirements of having 5,800 subscribers. Now you only need 1,000 subscribers and from there you type your desired creator code. Now let's say how to tag simp, and from there it will check if it's available and here you can submit the code, and from here you will be in the loading screen and it will be a personal text profile and simply press create text profile. Now, from there you need to simply continue and fill out all the details and I'll be right back with you. Now once you filled out all the details, you will come up with this last step, and that will give you an email and you can choose your payout method on your account, and from there you can submit it and it will be completed. Now that's everything, and from there you can use your code and that's it. Now if you still get any other questions regarding this tutorial, please leave them in the comments down below. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.